Welcome back, guys, to the August Teaser Tuesday, and we're just going to talk a little bit about the content that's coming out in August. Most of August is going to consist of premieres of our Wind River Range trip. We're probably going to be moving those to Sunday evenings, 6 p.m. Central, and we'll keep doing those as premieres until we're done with those in September. We've got a lot of other content on the channel that we've been recording. It still needs to be edited and processed, but that would consist of freeze drying, recipes and backpacking meals, along with photography, including astrophotography, which is what we're doing out here this morning at sunrise. So I think we got some good photos, and maybe we'll drop those in here. But that's what's going to be coming out over the next few months. And if you have other things that you're interested in seeing that we just do, and we do a lot of different things, tech things, photography, outdoor stuff, then leave that in the comments. If you haven't subscribed, click the subscribe button and make sure to click the bell so that you get content notifications anytime content is updated to the channel, which typically is at least weekly. So that's it. Thanks for joining. We do appreciate you watching and commenting. And remember, when you can, get up, get out, live a little. See ya. And here are some of the aromas and pear cherry tomatoes. They feel dry.